Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and let me show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So let me enter the settings and let me, for example, turn on the GPS location info. Okay, let's tap on allow. And after getting back, you can see that the switcher changed a little. Right now it is activated. So I hope that you will be able to see the changes. So right now we can actually restore the defaults. So after entering the settings, just like here, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on restore defaults. Simply tap on OK. And we just got back to the camera. Actually nothing happened, so let's check this option with the GPS, and as you can see it is turned off, so it means that we just got back to all default settings of the camera. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.